Hello, hello. So today we are here with
Kyle.
Cal. Cal, as I was passing by, I saw the wheel. Of course, I had to think about Wheel of Fortune. But please tell me a little bit about the company Pinwheel.
So Pinwheel's been around since 2018. We're an API that connects an end user's payroll account to an app or program. And with that connection, there's a number of things you can do. One of them is direct deposit allocation. So you could say you want half of your paycheck to go to a different bank or $100 to go to a different bank. The other side of it is you get access to income and employment data, and that can be used for a number of things. One would be income verification or employment verification or underwriting. So you can use pay stubs or employment data to use for decisioning.
Now, like myself, I'm a little bit old school and new school at the same time. So I know the older ways is, people go to the traditional ways, just either go into the bank or or your local provider, for to get your funds. Now, how's with the whole fintech industry, what it's been like, as far as with the transition to see more people relying on, as far as like getting the funds a little bit quicker.
Yeah. I think the way that people are looking at, there could be some hesitation. I think what we're seeing now is the ease that this is, fintech is bringing, and even like Pinwheel is bringing, is to bring more time back into your day. You no longer have to manually do your direct deposit switching or go to the bank and have to do it yourself. We can do it automatically and saves you time. And on the income and employment side, if you've ever rented an apartment, you're normally walking around with many pieces of paper. You no longer have to do that. You can just log into an app and then you could be renting the apartment. So we're really just returning time back into your day. And so I think we're starting to see more people adopt it as they realize that it's ease of use.
That's awesome. So is that also mean that I can get my voicemail? I'm sorry, not voicemail, my invoice?
You can download all your pay stubs and everything through the Pinwheel.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, Cal, I truly appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day for you to tell us a little bit about Pinwheel. And I'm definitely looking forward to see more of this company towards the future continue growing, because this is definitely something that I feel myself that I can trust, because again, time is everything. So the less time I can be on the line, the better it is. So more things I get taken care of, as far as, even spending time with the loved one. Again, thank you so much, Cal.
Thank you. Have a nice day.